Hey there! So today's video is going to be kinda same, kinda different. The reason being, I'm actually in Alwal and I've come to a place called Central Park. I know there are so many Friends fans out there, including me. I am a huge Friends fan. Vishal isn't as much, but as you can see, it has.
I haven't watched a single episode of
Yeah, so I'm a Friends fan, Vishal isn't, and as you can see, the decor is like completely Friends related, and I absolutely adore Friends. And as you can see, we have Chandler, Joey, and all the things. And how can you forget Smelly Cat? And there you go. How can we forget this? I mean, they've given a pretty cute touch. And there we have Vishal. So as you can see, the decor is completely Friends theme. It's a small place. It has 3 seaters. So we're just gonna sit here and we're gonna see what we we're gonna order. So we just have the menu here and I'm gonna check what all is available. So of course there's chai and stuff like that. It's Central Park, so of course you're bound to have tea and coffee. But it's the other stuff that I am more interested in. Let me just see. Vishal, what do you feel like having today? Anything? You don't have anything in particular? Let me just check and then get back to you on what we ordered. So we just went ahead and ordered our food. We are getting a piri piri fries and I'm getting a mixed veg grill sandwich and a fusion wrap. So one thing that I noticed is that the food isn't exactly like a heavy or anything. It's mostly snack foods and things like that. So it's something that we ordered. Like I wanted fries, so I ordered. Vishal wanted something light, so he ordered a wrap. And let's see the menu. I think the menu is very, very cute. As you can see, this is the menu. It's a Central Park, and every single page of the menu has a quote by a character. So the first page goes, "Could I be any more sarcastic?" I mean, of course, it's the legendary Chandler Bing. And then we have, "And I have to live with a boy." And she talks about Chandler. So that's Monica Geller, of course. And then we have, "I wish I could, but I don't want to." That's Phoebe. And then we have again a Monica Geller, same quote. Okay, and then on by Chandler Bing, "If I were a guy," and did I just say "if I were a guy"? I mean, I remember that episode, to be honest. And Rachel, "I got off the plane," of course. And then we have 7. That's Monica. And then we have "We Were on a Break" by Ross Geller, of course. I mean, how many of you remember that episode? You can let me know. Like, that's legendary, "We Were on a Break." And then we have "What's Not to Like?" Custard, good. Jam, good. Meat, good, by Joey Tribbiani. And of course, Janice. Oh my god. That's like the standard Janice quote. And then of course we have the whole theme song of Friends. Vishal, you have to binge Friends once at least. No? Okay, anyway, I'll try converting him for us, guys. Yeah, sure. So we've ordered the food and we're just gonna wait for it. And I had like fun even reading the menu. So let's hope the food is good. So we have the fries with us. So let me just show you the fries. They look pretty cute. So here are the fries. Vishal, why don't you give it a try? Nice? Great. Let me also give it a try. Vishal says it's nice and crunchy and crispy. And I like it that they served it with the mayo instead of the usual ketchup. No? Piri piri fries with mayo is actually better than ketchup for us also. I like this. We also have the sandwich with us, which is the mixed veg grilled sandwich. Let me just show that to you too. So as you can see, this is the sandwich right here. We are devouring the fries, so to speak. So let's just have the sandwich as well and see how it is. So here we have the sandwich. Let me give it a try. Ooh. The cross section is pretty good, as you can see. It has tomatoes, cucumber. I mean, that's the one I can see. Let me just give it a try. It's pretty light. Has a bit of mayo, a bit of cheese. It's nice. A hot food. Finally, we also have the wrap with us. Vishal and I already ate the fries and the sandwich. Vishal actually liked the sandwich quite so much. Vishal, why don't you elaborate on that?
Reminded me of one of my sandwiches which I had nostalgic.
So that's a good thing. So we have our wrap here. So this is the fusion wrap. Vishal, why don't you just open it up and show me in case what are there? I think there's cheese, of course. Oh, there's a whole lot of veggies, mayo and stuff like that. And it's grilled. Vishal, why don't you give it a taste for the first go here? I've been tasting everything for the first time. So there we have Vishal. Yeah, so the cross section is pretty nice. It has like a lot of veggies. It's hot. It's nice. Pleasant tasting.
A little more blend of spices would be interesting. But almost like plain, like how a sandwich was. Not too much mix of flavors.
Great. Alright, let me also give it a try then. So I have the second half of the wrap. Here we go. So let me also give it a try. Oh, it is hot, as Vishal said. It's piping hot. You're right. You could use with a little more flavors. So it's a fusion wrap. So I think actually that piri piri powder that was there in the French fries, if you could add it to the wrap, it would be amazing. So yeah, I really like that. It's nice. So it's plain, but it's nice. I don't know how else to explain this because I like the flavor. There's nothing wrong about it. It just could use a little more flavor as such. So overall, we had a pretty good experience over here. I liked the food. I haven't tried the drinks though because I didn't want to drink anything along with this. But yeah, it's a definite must try. I'll leave the link, the Zomato link as well as the Google Maps link, whatever I find down in the description, so that you can also drop by. It has a very good Friends theme going on, and there are like 3-4 places to sit here. It's not huge, but the food is good. It's not very pricey. I think the fries were like 80 rupees, the sandwich was like 60 or 70, and the wrap is also very similar, 60. Oh yeah, you can even play stuff. So right behind me you have Uno, Jenga and stuff like that. So that's a good thing wherein you can spend time with friends, the pun intended. And yeah, this is not that pricey, good for your pocket if you're a college student and stuff like that. So definite must try from my end. And I just spoke to the owner also. His name is Ashrit, and he doesn't want to be on camera, but yeah, he said he's a great Friends fan. Like he's watched every season like 3 times. I've watched it 5 times, and it's like a mood uplifting thing, and just he wanted to bring that mood upliftment to everybody, and that's the only reason he opened this place. And I totally agree, Friends is a mood uplifter for me as well. And I'll just thank him here to, give us a glimpse into his world of and his love for Friends. And I feel many of us will definitely encourage that love for Friends, because many of us do love that series like anything. So thank you guys for watching, and see you all in the next one. Bye bye.